Yard sale, guys.
There's a bike.
There's a bike? Guys, may yard sale kami dito. Ano? May yard sale tayo. So, tingnan natin ang ating. Kung meron tayong makita. Hindi ko na. Okay guys, andito tayo sa Goodwill. So, tingnan natin. Pagkatapos natin sa yard sale, sa Goodwill naman, mamaya ako papakita sa inyo yung nakuha natin sa Goodwill. Meron kami dati nito, guys. Hello. Dahil kong binabanggit ito sa the vlog. Pero dito ako nakakita ng Salad Master. Pero walang takip yung ginagamit ko sa bahay. Ito maganda tong pang ano ba? Pang anti-splatter. Ang mahal na. $3.99. Ano? Uy, ang cute nito. Aba, look how cute this is. $5.99. Pero stainless steel siya, oh. Look, Ben, stainless steel na pot. Uy, Benji. Parang minsan lang nagamit. What is this? Made in China. Ben, can you read this, please? It's so cute, oh, just like Lola's, no? Ito pala, ito. What is this? It's because they boil water. Can you read this for me?
Bell Jockey.
Bell Jockey. Okay guys, may mga decor din. May salamin. Titingin ako ng ano, pambenta ba? Pambenta. Uy, salamin, oh. Ito. Mahiwagang salamin. Magkano? $5. Tayo ng shoes. Under Armour. Sikat pa ba ngayon ng Under Armour? Tingin tayo, guys. Adidas. Ang ganda ng shoes. Sparkly. May sticker pa.
It's worth $12.
Really?
Find that because there's a stink bug stuck inside of it.
Ben, hold this, Baba. Ayan o, kay Ben ng
I
bike.
don't need to hold it. There's a quick stand.
Oh, quick stand. So, kukunin namin itong bisikleta ni Ben. What is that? Okay, guys. Punta tayo sa garden dahil meron akong nakita na blackberries kagabi. Hindi ko lang na pick up. Ano ito? Nabunot or na-harvest dahil gabi na. Magdidilig sana ako. Hindi na ako nakabalik. Oh, wow! Oh! Ayun pa. Sweet ito. These are the sweet ones. Come on, baby. Before the birds get it. Come on. Ayan. Ito, this one too. That one is still a little red.
They're not squishy.
Ito pa, baby. Yeah.
Wonder why they're squishier than this.
Ay, that's still a little red.
You told me to pick it though.
It's okay.
Not
If it's red, yeah.
Oh, it's kind of red on the bottom.
Still red.
This one still a little red too.
Really?
So squishy. It's like rotten.
Because I did this last time. And then, oh no. Nabulok yung peach. But pag hinipo mo siya,
Why did you do that?
I don't, because I'm trying to see if it's soft. Or it's just won't make it because it has a bite already. Did you notice?
Yeah, probably the birds bit it.
Yes. Uy, dito pa.
Because the cats don't go here.
Yeah. No.
But these peaches
But
are
these
good.
peaches are good. I think they'll be ready soon. Maybe tomorrow. Here, baby. You want this? Pick tayo ng blackberries. Ayun, oh. Ayan, pwede na to. Ang ina-expect kasi ni Ben, may tumuka na, oh. Ibon. Ang ina-expect kasi ni Ben, yung sobrang mga tamis. Siyempre, guys, itong blackberries, ano siya, may asim siya. Hindi siya yung matamis na matamis. Na-expect na talaga yung sobrang tamis. Hindi naman ganun. Okay, let's try it. Ito pa, Ben. This is ready. Do you want to try that one? That one is sweet.
Is this gonna be sweet?
I think so. Of course, there's a little sourness. Sweet na? Totally. Sweet and sour.
Last year it was.
It was, yeah. Aray ko. So, dito muna tayo. Choose the ano. I'll tell you which one is the sweetest. Ito. Sour and sweet. Which is normal, this one. Of course, it's not gonna be too sweet. Sour and sweet, no? Kasi, ano yan eh.
Probably the last time I tried it, probably I ate something sweet.
Yes, and then it's super sour. It has sourness, but also it has sweet, so it's a mixture. Blackberries are like that.
There's a blackberry seed
Ito.
stuck in my tooth.
Yeah. It has, these are all seeds, that cluster of... I see bird. And it's high in vitamin C and antioxidant. Sweet and sour. You won't find super sweet now. Yeah, that one is sweet.
Okay.
Yeah, because it doesn't have the red color.
Nice.
That is very sweet. Yeah? Yeah, sweet. It has sour, of course.
It's not very sweet. It tastes half like just pure water.
So it doesn't have much.
Because half of it feels like I'm just drinking water.
Try this one. I'll try this one. Hala, nalaglag.
No, that dried up months ago.
Dried up, yeah. Hindi ako nagdilig. So, medyo mahal lumigmig today. Ayan yung ate ampalaya. So, hayaan muna natin na yung blackberries ay umano siya. Hayaan muna natin mahinog pa.
Mommy, I put a blackberry seed.
Ay siya, Elgrow. Nga. Yan o, ang ating ampalaya. Meron na ulit sumuloy. Tapos na yun, may mga bagong suloy na ulit. Ayan pa yung iba nating blackberry. May bunga na rin pala to. Tara na, Ben. Let's go na, Baba. Yan yung ating peaches. Gusto na ni Ben na kunin to. Siguro bukas kasi maliit lang siya kasi nga wala siya sa ano. Pwede namin siya itanim dito. Dito ko na lang siya guys itatanim pala. Para may puno tayo dito sa garden. Dito ko siya itatanim. Gusto ko andito yung mga puno. Para may lilim. Tama. Dito ko lang siya itatanim. Gusto ko sa harapan ng bahay pero dito na lang. Kama na. Magdidilig sana ako. Kaya lang mahal lumigmig naman ngayon eh. Hindi man ganun kainit. So, yan, naglagay kami ng sweet water. Ito yung pang hummingbird. Tara na, Ben. Tama na, Baba. Tara na. Ben, tara na, Baba. Let's go na. May pupuntahan kami, guys. Tara, let's go. Tiyan nyo tong ating ternate, oh. Dito na siya. Tinanggalan ko rin siya dito ng kinat ko rin. May sumibol agad. Ayan. Yung kay Manong, oh. Ganda ng kay Manong na garden. Tingnan nyo guys, ang laki na ng ating ampalaya. Ano to? Anong tawag dito? Ito ay malunggay. Ayan, mas malaki yung tumubo dito sa labas kaysa dun sa bahay. Mas healthy. Aba, may saluyot. May saluyot dun. May saluyot na kumikot. Ayan na ang ating ampalaya. Ba't may makahiya? Makahiya ba to? Ba't makatikom? Parang makahiya. Ayan ang okra. Napaka tipid lumaki. So, kailangan ko sigurong kailangan kong mag-dilig. Sobrang dry ng ating mga halaman. 2 araw kong di nagdilig. Yung ating grapes, lumalaki naman kahit papaano. Ayan, I think ready na. Ewan ko ba? Gusto na ng mga bata tong kunin. So, saka pwede natin kunin guys. Tuyong-tuyo. Ang daming bunga ng blackberries. Namitas na ako kanina. Ito siguro matamis to. Ay, tikiman. Asim tamis. Ito pa. Wow, ito matamis to. Basta yung purong maitim. Hindi siya guys matamis na matamis ha. Ano siya? Half tamis, half asim. Okay na sa akin yung half. Wag lang sobrang asim. Meron akong variety. Sobrang asim. Ayan na naman. May junebug na naman. Nangangaan ng grapes. Kasi may isang grapes dito na hindi healthy. yung kinakain niya. Ayan, oh. Okay. Nangangain ng dahon ng grapes lang. Grapes ba yun? Ay, grapes. Tama. Grapes lang talaga yung tinitira niya. Kailangan kong putulan ng ano. Ayan pa. Kakainis.